Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so pumped because I finally got my hands on the Patrick Starrr and MAC setting powder. Every time I went to check this powder out, well, to buy this powder, it was sold out. So it seems as if though it's always sold out on MAC. But I think if you go to like Neiman Marcus or Macy's, typically from just what I've been seeing over the past couple days, it's in stock. But I'm pretty sure it's been sold out on MACcosmetics.com since it's like launched. So if you don't know who Patrick Starrr is and you live under a rock, he is a YouTube influencer. He used to work at MAC Cosmetics and then has just taken YouTube and the beauty community over and has millions upon millions of followers and is just an amazing person. I mean, from what I've seen on YouTube, it's not like I've ever met him, but he's just so personable, seems like a sweetheart, and really is just passionate about makeup and what he does. So the description on MAC Cosmetics is that this is a colorless, ultra fine powder that can be used to set makeup on the face or body. Silky soft texture with a matte finish beautifully stabilizes whatever makeup is used to set and finish. Its key claims and benefits is that it sets makeup without disturbing color, dermatologist tested. Wow, that's a big word. I'm gonna put the words like right here because I'm not even gonna try and butcher this. This powder on MAC excuse me. This powder on MACcosmetics.com retails for $34. I got it off Macy's, I believe, for the same price. Okay, I can't wait to do my makeup today because I've just heard so many great things about this powder from anybody that's tried it, and I've just been like waiting and patiently waiting to get my hands on it. So I want to get this makeup on my face so that I can set with this powder. So I've already washed, moisturized, and primed my face, and now I'm just going to put some foundation on. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte with a damp beauty blender. The two concealers I'm going to go in with today is the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in L1 and the Maybelline Age Rewind in Fair. Now I'm immediately going to dip my beauty blender into the powder and set my concealer. I'm going to bake a little bit with this powder, so I'm kind of packing it on because if you know anything about Patrick Starrr, he bakes. He bakes his face. So, and with his makeup, I mean, his makeup just looks like perfection. He looks like a walking Instagram filter, so I want that. So I'm going to put this all over my face. So I'm going to let this powder just sit on my face and bake away. Then I'm going to do my lips are so chapped. And then I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off of camera and then come back and let you see what this looks like. I'm so excited. Okay, so I am back. I have the rest of my makeup on. And let's see what this looks like. Holy shit. This is gorgeous. That powder is so finely milled that like it's a different texture. Like if you've ever used the Laura Mercier translucent powder, it's even more finely milled than that. And that's pretty finely milled in my opinion. It looks beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. I'm blown away. My pores, like I have no pores on my face. None. Zero. Even though like I'll use the Benefit Professional like on the apples on my cheeks, I can still like see my pores, or you know, they're still kind of there, especially after I put highlight on. No. There was no pores. There is no pores on my face. Are you serious? Do you see this? Are you serious? This is incredible. So I have to bowl tonight. It's one of my bowling nights. I'm in a league. I'm a bowler. I'm a terrible bowler, but I still bowl. So I have to bowl at 6:30, and then there's a football game on. So I probably won't be home until after 11, easily after 11. So I might be able to do one check-in before. I always look up there, by the way, if you ever notice me like looking up, because I have a clock up there on my wall. That's why I look up there. Just letting you know. So I might do one check-in before I go, and then another one when I get back home, just to see what kind of happens with this powder. And all I know is if it stays like this, I'm never using another powder again. So I will see you in a little bit.
Okay guys, so we're back. Patrick Powder by Mac, 4-hour check-in. Couple grays, a lot of facial hair. Not really sure that's what Patrick was going for. My voice is really deep compared to usual. My hair is gone, completely gone. I'm a huge sports fan. Thank you very much.
You'll be back later.
I'll be back later, 4 hours later. And that's when you'll see me again. Hopefully it will not be this disgrace.
So yes, I am back. And this is my 4-hour check-in. And you're gonna hear things in the back. It's a circus. This is gonna be a really short check-in only because of that situation going on out there, but nothing's changed. It is immaculate. This is a beautiful setting powder. Nothing's changed. I'm not oily and still no pores. It looks great. You want in too?
No, I'm out.
I will be back probably 3, 4, 5 to 6 hours and do my final check-in and give my final thoughts. Okay, so I am back and it is almost midnight, and all I can say is I'm just still so blown away from this powder. I had a feeling that I was gonna be blown away by this powder, but I didn't know it was gonna be like this beautiful for this long, you know what I mean? I didn't do any touch-ups because I wanted to see how oily I actually got and how much this powder would actually help keep my oil in control, and boy did it do that. I am getting some shine like on my forehead and my normal spots around my nose and my chin, but nothing that couldn't be touched up. I'm at the 10-hour mark with this powder. It hasn't broke up, and let's move past this because let's move past it. But it hasn't broken up. It still looks so good. This powder is worth every penny asked for it. I'm just still blown away. It is so freaking beautiful. So this powder exceeded all expectations. I was really hoping I would fall in love with this powder, and I did. And I'm just so happy. I'm so happy for Patrick, I'm happy for Mac, and I'm happy it's as good as everybody says that it is. Much as I love this powder and how my makeup looks, I have to take it off. I am so tired. I need to go to bed. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
What's it called? No ball ice. Don't with that. Oh, it's recording?
What's this leg doing?
Is this your microphone? Patrick Powder by Mac. When are you cutting?
Patrick Starrr.
Beb's fine. Beb's fine. You know how to cut, right?
Well, look at the pecker on that fire.
Cut.